You've heard it before, houses make the best investments, but is that really true anymore? With affordability getting tighter and housing prices still climbing, more investors are turning their eyes toward apartments. The big question is, can investing in an apartment actually be a wise move? Hi, I'm Lloyd Edge from Oz Property Professionals. After helping close to 6,000 clients buy property over the years, I've seen apartments perform very well in certain markets with unique attributes and fall flat in others. So in this video, we're breaking down the key advantages of apartments, the challenges most people overlook, how you can actually add value to apartments, and when it might be time to sell. Let's get into it. The advantages of investing in apartments. Apartments offer a lower entry price than houses, which makes them an attractive starting point for investors. You're often buying into unique, high-demand locations close to transport, cafes, shopping centres and universities, places people actually want to live. And unlike standalone houses, you're not personally responsible for maintaining the roof, garden or external walls. That's managed by the strata, which can take a big load off your plate. In Australia's tight rental market, apartments can deliver a strong, consistent rental demand, especially from students, young professionals and downsizers. So yes, there are some real advantages. But before you rush in, it's important to understand the other side of the story. How you can actually add value to apartments. Now, a lot of people will tell you that you can't add value to an apartment, and that's simply not true. Yes, there are rules and approvals to consider, but that doesn't mean you're stuck with what you buy. In fact, some of the best apartment gains I've seen have come from clever, targeted upgrades that most people overlook. Here's how. Modernise the kitchen and bathroom. Replace bench tops, cabinetry, tapware or tiles for a cleaner, more contemporary finish. These are high-impact areas that instantly lift value and tenant appeal. Upgrade flooring. A fresh hybrid or engineered timber floor can completely transform the space. Just make sure you check acoustic and bylaw requirements first. Improve lighting and fixtures. Swap out old fittings for LED lights, add feature pendants or install ceiling fans to make the space feel brighter and more comfortable. Add built-in storage or better wardrobe systems. Practical improvements that tenants love and that make the property feel larger. Refresh outdoor areas. If your apartment includes a balcony or a courtyard, don't overlook it. New tiles, privacy screens, or well-placed plants can create a lifestyle feel that sets your apartment apart. Individually, these might sound small, but together, they make a massive difference. They give your apartment a premium edge and boost its market appeal. Of course, if you're making structural changes, adjusting plumbing or touching common property, you'll need strata approval. That's where many investors stop, but you don't have to. If you understand the approval process and stay within the bylaws, you can unlock serious potential and add real value to apartments, even when everyone else says it can't be done. Knowing when to sell. Just as important as knowing when to buy is knowing when to sell. Apartments can perform exceptionally well when supply is tight. But if there's an oversupply of new developments in your area, prices and rental yields can plateau quickly. You might consider selling if comparable apartments nearby are hitting record highs, your rental yields start to slide while costs rise, there's a surge in new apartments in your suburb, or your goals shift and you want to relocate capital elsewhere. It's also smart to keep an eye on local infrastructure projects, vacancy rates and building approvals. All of these can signal where the market is heading. Sometimes holding makes sense. Other times it's smarter to free up capital and reinvest in higher growth opportunities. So, are apartments a wise investment? They can be, but only with the right strategy. Here's what to remember. The lower entry price can make them a great stepping stone into the market. Yes, you can add value to apartments. You just need to know where the opportunities are and follow the right approval process. Cosmetic improvements often deliver the best returns with minimal red tape. Focus on what tenants value most when buying or renovating, and always plan your exit before you buy. Apartments aren't just for first-time investors. With the right due diligence, they can deliver solid growth and reliable income, especially in the right location. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe and ring the bell. And make sure to watch the next video that comes up on your screen to improve your property investment skill set. I'm Lloyd Edge from Oz Property Professionals, helping you invest smarter, live freer and build your future, one property at a time. See you in the next one.